Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to Royalblufx channel, where we teach smart money concepts. Today, we're going to talk about our weekly review on all the trades we took this week and what the thought process was behind every trade. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe and share this video with your friends. It'll definitely help out the channel for the future content. So without further ado, let's get into the video. All right, so like normally I would always start on the daily time frame because the daily time frame always tells me the direction, obviously. We started on the daily time frame, and what I noticed again is we had a slight break of structure up here, and I was looking for buys. That's all I was doing. Then we went on the 1 hour to identify our order blocks and our POIs, and I had two areas. One was right here, obviously, and the other one was right here. Oopsie. And this order block was mitigated already. So my last thought process was, well, maybe this is my order block based off of the market not mitigating here. But so when the market got down to this area here, I went all the way down on the 5 minute to look for my entry. And what I noticed was it was on the 1 minute, I'm sorry. We were on the 1 minute here, and then I looked very closely here. I saw that the market was going down still, and eventually I had my limit order set here. So when the market touched this price at 1.82473 right here, my order was automatically activated, and my stop loss was just below the the order block. So price took off. It started going off pretty well on a Monday, and I noticed how the market wasn't pushing so fast. It didn't create strong bullish candles. Oops, sorry, strong bullish candles. There was no liquidity in this area. Sheesh, can't even draw a candle. And I noticed price was just kind of floating around this area. And when the market came back down here, I stayed in this trade. Willing to risk my 1%, which is only 9.8 pips. And once price took off, broke some structure, I noticed, okay, well, we're going to stay in this market right now because price should eventually get here to my first target. But I still noticed the market wasn't as strong as I thought it should be based off of the liquidity, or the volume, I'm sorry. The volume wasn't strong enough. If you look on the 1 hour here, we're creating so much noise in here. It's like so much noise. Nothing. I'm not seeing any of this momentum. This movement. So when I set an alert and price took me out right down here, actually, price didn't take me out. I took myself out when price got to this area here, because I noticed that the markets aren't going to be going up anymore at this point. So I was right. I took partials out right here, and I let the market do whatever it needed to do. It tapped the same order block again. And then I noticed, okay, price is breaking higher highs on the 5 minute right here. And I was like, all right, good enough. I'm looking for buys, obviously. So we go on the 1 minute, then we try and identify our order block. And our order block was the last break before the high happened, which was right here in this area, in this structure, because this structure right here broke this last structure here, right there. So we identified our order block on the lower time frame. We went even on the 15-second to be exact, right here. Our order block was the last down candle, which is this area right here, actually. And that's where I put my order block. And when I waited for the market to get down here, price just tapped us in. I had a buy limit order, and price tapped us in, and price took it up, and we made 11.717% on this trade. So this was a really nice success. The psychology behind this was really just understanding, being very simplistic with our trading. all we're looking is for breaks above structure, which guarantees us the volume that the buyers are still here, the buyers are still in control, and then we're looking for a nice pullback or a nice retracement in the market, and then we identify our order blocks, and then we take the buy. We'll take the buy without a doubt, target the next high, which is this area, and that's how we've done it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a good day.